Hello students. Now we are going to discuss about uniform plane wave in free space. So in the last session we already discussed about uniform plane wave concept. What is the definition of uniform plane waves and types of waves. So now we are discussing how the uniform plane wave will propagate in free space, and we'll discuss the derivation of field components, that is Ex and Hy. Here the electromagnetic wave propagation can be explained with the help of Maxwell's equations. So already we discussed about the Maxwell's equations in electromagnetic static form and time varying form. So we have totally 8 Maxwell's equations in static form, in time varying form. So basically I am assuming that now the electromagnetic wave is propagating in free space. Okay. And now I am assuming that the electromagnetic wave means the wave which is having both components, electric field and the magnetic field. Now I am assuming that the electric field is along x direction and magnetic field is along y direction, and the wave is propagating along z direction. Wave propagation along z direction. Now consider the Maxwell's equations, and I am considering only two Maxwell's equations, that is curl Maxwell's equations, del cross E and del cross H. What is del cross E? Del cross E is equals to minus dou B by dou T, and del cross H is equals to dou D by dou T. Actually we are having Jc plus Jd, conduction current density, this is, and this is Jd, and Jc is nothing but, actually this is sigma E. Sigma is nothing but conductivity. Because it is a free space, sigma is equal to 0. So Jc is equal to 0. We have to consider only Jd, convection current. So del cross H is equals to only, we are having dou D by dou T. Now we have to expand this del cross E and del cross H. We have to do curl. First consider, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Consider equation 1. Do curl Ax, Ay, Az. I am considering Cartesian coordinate system. Dou x, dou y, dou z. Next, Ex, Ey, Ez is equals to minus dou by dou T of, I am having the components along x direction, y direction and z direction. Okay. Now expand the curl equation. Ax into dou by dou y of Ez minus dou by dou z of Ey minus Ay into dou by dou x of Ez minus dou by dou z of Ex plus Az into dou by dou x of Ey minus dou by dou y of Ex is equal to right hand term minus dou by dou T bx ax, by ay, bz az. And we have assumed that the electric field is always in x direction. For transverse electromagnetic wave, the electric field is along x direction, magnetic field is along y direction, and the propagation is along z direction. So I am having the electric field along x direction, magnetic field along y direction. If the electric field is only x direction present, the x component is present. So Ey, Ez are equal to 0, and the magnetic field is along y direction, then Hx, Hz equal to 0. That is Bx, Bz equal to 0. Then Ey, Ez 0. This one 0. Only Ex will present, Ez 0. Only Ex will present, Ey 0. Okay. So left side I am having total Ax components are vanishing, and minus of minus plus dou by dou z Ex plus dou by dou y Ex along Az, and this is along Ay direction is equal to, on right hand side, Bx Bz 0. Then I am having dou by dou t minus Bx Bz 0, By Ay. So I am comparing the Ay terms. So what I am having? This term will become 0 because the electric field is varying along only x direction, and the wave is propagating along z direction. The electric field variation along only x direction is present, along y direction is not present. So this term will become 0, or we can just compare these Ay terms. I will get dou by dou z Ex is equals to minus dou by dou t By. From this, as we know that P is equal to mu epsilon, I will substitute here. So what I will get? Dou by dou z Ex is equals to minus mu into dou by dou t into mu h. This is hy. From this write down hy. Here I will get dou hy by dou t is equals to minus 1 by mu dou Ex by dou z. So consider this as equation 3. Now similarly expand del cross H is equals to dou d by dou t. Okay. So I'll get Ax, Ay, Az, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, Hx, Hy, Hz is equals to here dou by dou t, dx Ax, dy Ay, dz Az. Similar, electric field is along x direction, magnetic field is along y direction. So here also Ey, Ez 0, Hx, Hz 0. So what I will get? Here Hx, Hz 0. This one 0, this one 0. Directly substitute here 0. And Ey 0, Ez 0 means dy dz, because we know that d is equal to epsilon E. So dy dz. So from this, after simplification or after doing this det, I will get minus dou hy by dou z is equals to epsilon dou by dou t Ex. So from here dou hy by dou z is equals to minus epsilon dou by dou t Ex. This is equation 4. So now we'll see differentiate this equation 4 with respect to t. Differentiate equation 4 with respect to t. So what I'll get? Dou by dou t, dou hy by dou z is equal to minus epsilon dou square ex by dou t square. Consider it as. Next, differentiate equation 3 with respect to z. So dou by dou z, dou hy by dou t is equals to minus 1 by mu into dou square ex by dou z square. Consider it as 6. Now just compare these 5 and 6 equations. Left hand side terms both are equal. Dou by dou t, bottom dou t dou z, dou hy. But right hand side terms are not equal. So I am equating now the right hand terms. So I will get dou square ex by dou t square is equals to 1 by mu epsilon into dou square ex by dou z square. And this is considered as equation 7. And now this 1 by mu e is known as v square. So v is equal to 1 by mu epsilon. This v is nothing but velocity of propagation or wave velocity. Okay. So dou square ex by dou t square is equal to v square into dou square ex by dou z square. This is a final expression. Okay. Call it as equation 8. And this is known as wave equation. And this is a differential equation of the second order, and its solution is given by Ex is equals to E naught plus e power minus gamma z into e power j omega t plus E naught into e power plus gamma z into e power j omega t. This is E naught plus, this is E naught minus. So Ex is equals to, I will write it as E naught plus e power minus gamma is nothing but alpha plus j beta z into e power j omega t plus E naught minus into e power alpha plus j beta z into e power plus j omega t. So this can be written as just I am separately writing the exponential terms so this is nothing but just I am expanding the or separately writing the exponential terms. So now e power j theta can be written as cos theta plus j sin theta. So e power j theta is equal to cos theta plus j sin theta. So cos theta is real form of this phasor form, real term of this phasor form. This is imaginary term of this phasor form. So now I want to write the real part of this one. Okay, the real part of this equation will become Ex is equals to E naught plus, and we know that alpha is equal to 0. So how alpha is 0 means because sigma is equal to 0. For free space conductivity is 0 and gamma is a propagation constant. The propagation constant formula is j omega mu sigma plus j omega epsilon under root. Sigma is 0 and this is alpha plus j beta. So sigma is 0, I am having j square omega square mu epsilon. Okay, so plus or minus omega or plus j omega mu epsilon. So I am having only imaginary part. Alpha is 0. As alpha is 0, e power this term will become 1 into e power j omega t. So e power j omega t minus beta z term will only remain. This term will be 0. So I am writing only the real part. So I can write instead of theta I am having omega t minus beta z. So this is cos of omega t minus beta z plus E naught minus into cos of omega t plus beta z. So this is one of the field component Ex. From this Ex we can get the Hy. So how to get the Hy equation? Okay. So first I am just simplifying the equation. Just I am taking the common minus beta omega E naught minus cos of omega into t plus beta by omega z. So this is Ex. Okay. Now how to get the Hy? So Hy can be obtained by doing substituting Ex in the equation dou Hy by dou t. We know, we already got dou Hy by dou t is equal to minus 1 by mu, equation 1 I think, not 1, this is equation 4. So equation 4. By substituting this Ex here, we'll get Hy. Okay. So dou Hy by dou t is equal to minus 1 by mu into differentiate with respect to z for this Ex. Cos of omega t minus beta by omega z plus E naught minus cos of t plus beta by omega z. First do the differentiate with respect to z. So what I'll get? This is differentiate with respect to z. E naught plus cos differentiation minus sign omega t minus beta by omega into z, and here again the differentiation minus beta by omega plus E naught minus cos will become sin minus sin t plus beta by omega into z, and again I am having beta by omega. Okay. After getting this, do integration with respect to t. Okay. After doing integration with respect to t, I will get Hy is equals to beta by omega mu Em plus sin integration will become cos and minus minus will become plus. Okay. And we are doing with respect to t, right? So only 1 inside. So cos omega t minus beta by omega z minus beta by omega mu into Em minus E naught minus cos of omega t plus beta by omega into z. This is Hy. Okay, so this equation is nothing but Hy. So these Ex and Hy are the field components of uniform plane wave. Thank you.